All right, guys, today we are making mini cauliflower pizza, so let's get started. So we're going to start with our mini food processor, and we're going to put in an egg, our cauliflower rice, and yes, everything we are using today is mini, and then our dry seasonings and mozzarella cheese, and then we're just going to put the lid on and process that, make sure it's all mixed together until it looks like this. Then we're going to get out our mini waffle maker, and we're going to put in our parmesan cheese on the bottom, and then we're going to put our cauliflower rice mixture on top of that. One thing that I will recommend is make sure that you get mix all the way from the bottom to the top, because the egg did get kind of stuck down at the bottom and we want it all mixed around in there. But otherwise, the mixture, it should mix itself pretty well. And then we're just going to add some more Parmesan cheese on top, and then we're going to close it and cook it until it's toasty. So I did 6 minutes, and that was the perfect amount of time. And we're going to repeat this until all of them are done. So you should have about 4 of them. And then we're going to put our marinara sauce, whatever marinara or pizza sauce you want. And then we're going to put on more mozzarella cheese. And then you could really put on any toppings here. I just did pepperoni. I cut up pepperoni and made little pepperonis, but whatever you want. And then we're going to put it in our mini oven to bake. Just a toaster oven. It doesn't matter. It could be a regular oven, but just broil it until the cheese melts. And then that's it. Take it out and eat it up. If you guys like this recipe, rate, subscribe. We have dailyrecipes.co as our website. But bon appetit, y'all.